little learners, today let's start with chapter first, our Earth, a unique planet. Why do we call our Earth a unique planet? Because it's the only planet where life is possible, right? So in this chapter, I will tell you about the Earth as a unique planet, shape of the Earth, surface of the Earth and Earth's atmosphere. So as you all know that we all live on the Earth. It is the planet that moves around the sun, and the Earth is special because it is the only planet where things can survive. Plants, animals, people all share this home. We can live on that because it has air to breathe and water to drink. If there will be no air, we cannot breathe and we cannot live also, right? So there are villages, towns and cities on the earth. River, lakes, ponds gives us water, and many animals and plants also live here. Next, the earth as a unique planet. Our solar system consists of sun and the 8 planets. Our earth is the member of the solar system. It is the 3rd planet from the sun and is the 5th largest planet. Like other planet, it revolves around the sun and it rotates on its axis. One rotation of the earth is completed in 24 hours. Due to movement of the earth, we have days and nights in season, and the earth is unique planet because it is the only planet on which the life exists. This is because the earth has a plenty of oxygen and water around it. The shape of the earth. For thousands of years ago, people believed that the earth is flat. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, the Portuguese sailor, sailed around the earth in the western direction continuously. And what happened? His ship, it returned to the same place, and this proved that earth is round. At first, scientists thought that the earth was completely round, but now they came to know that areas around the poles are slightly flatter. जो poles होते हैं थोड़ी flat होती है, right? And it's like orange, flattened at the top and the bottom. When the American astronaut landed on the moon, the first took photographs of the earth from the moon, and the earth looked like a big ball, right? So then I will tell you about the surface. The surface of earth is made up of air and wood. 71% of the earth is water and 29% of earth is land. The surface है earth की वो किससे surrounded है? By the thick layer of air which is called atmosphere. ये blanket होता है air का. Right? If you look around the earth and the sky, they seem to meet. Actually, the earth and sky never meet. Or the place where वो आपको लगता है कि वो meet कर रहा है, उस point को क्या बोला जाता है? Horizon. So you can see land and water both makes up the earth's surface. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water and 1/4 is the land. Right now, Earth atmosphere. We have different layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. एक्सोस्फेयर कौन सी लेयर है? जो आपकी बाहर की होती है, राइट? स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में अगर हम बात करें कि जो आपके एरोप्लेन्स हैं वो दे फ्लाई. मेसोस्फेयर, यू विल सी meteoroids over here. So the earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air. It extends far from 1600 kilometer above the surface. इस लेयर को एटमॉस्फेयर कहा जाता है. इट्स एंगुलर एयर सराउंडिंग द लैंड, वाटर एंड एयर. दे आर एसेंशियल फॉर देयर लाइफ, राइट? नाउ the earth atmosphere is held in place. और किससे है वो? With the help of gravity, right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.